Stuart Hockley here, Managing Director at Corporate Connections. In this video series, we're going to look at some of our products a little more closely. To help me do that, I've got Jackie Cronk with me, Senior Sales Exec in Johannesburg, and also Mr. Jamie Wilson to tell you about some of these products.
The Gemini is part of our office range of units. It requires a 95mm round cutout, which fits directly into your desk. It has a unique gas strap system, which allows you to press and open and close the unit. The Gemini is a very versatile unit and will look great on any boardroom table and office desk.